I was watching YouTube video a few days ago and I saw this video with millions of views. And I was like, I want a millions of views too. So today, I'm going to do a big drawing using only gray markers. But first, let's do the ugly sketch. Now that I know what to draw, let's jump right into it. In this stage, don't be afraid to make mistake because this is just going to be a reference for our big drawing later. Quick sketch is finally done. Now let's transfer the drawing to a big piece of paper. But before that, Alexa, play some epic music, please. I try to add many details as possible so that the drawing will look epic later. The sketch looking great so far, so let's keep working on it. Finally, the big sketch is done. Now, let's do the inking process. To do this, I'll be using the Unipin fine liner pen to get an extra epic smooth lines. We have so many details to ink, so let's make it a bit faster. But in a careful way. We don't want to ruin the drawing, brothers and sisters. Halfway of the inking process is done. Now, let's erase the pencil sketch. It's time to add some volume to our lines. What volume? You will notice that later.
Northern star, following a lover right out of my ocean. And I was broken, but you know.
See the difference?
Got a good way of healing. I'm back on my feet and I'm happier than ever, like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue, dancing kind of weather, back together like I wasn't into. Thought I was doomed, but I moved through the heartache mood. I don't care what you do.
Inking process is finally done.
So much better without you, without you, without you. Happier without you.
It's already 11 p.m. and it's time for me to sleep. See you tomorrow. It's already morning and today is coloring day. And these are all my gray markers. But before I start coloring, let's do first a color swatch. This is boring to do. Let's make a bit faster. Color swatch is done. Now it's time for the actual coloring, and I think this is going to be easy. First, I'm going to start coloring the face and hair. using only gray colors, I still try the markers to the scratch paper to see if I choose the right shades of gray that I want. It's time to color this angry cat. I really like how the drawing turning out, so let's color the jacket and clothes. I really enjoy using gray markers and I hope you enjoy watching this video too. Few details to go. Don't forget the signature. And now, enjoy the final review. Brothers and sisters,